Welcome to Vincent's Little House Walkthrough and Guide. You should chalk your tires using the provided chalks to keep the trailer from rolling while parked and not connected to a vehicle. The hitch is locked to prevent theft. The lock is also used as the pin to keep the hitch from opening up while in use. After the trailer is disconnected from the vehicle, close the hitch and relock. The jack, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, to raise and lower. You can raise and lower the trailer tongue to also level the trailer. The built-in leveler shows when the trailer is approximately level when the bubble is in the center ring. You can also use a power drill and an attachment to power raise and lower the jack. A storage box is included for other items and your chalks, extension cords, tire gauge. To unlock the galley area, first insert key and turn, then move both latches vertical position. The light above the galley runs off the internal 12-volt battery on the trailer. A microwave and mini fridge are also provided. This is the main power strip. The switch turns the power on this strip on and off. And there's also a small circuit breaker to the side. Do not run the microwave and air conditioner at the same time, as this will exceed the maximum power output from the 120 volt outlets. A Things to Remember sign is also posted to remind you of things that are covered when you pick up the trailer. A 12 volt to 120 volt power inverter is included. This is great for small items such as laptops, phones, small portable lights. Do not plug the inverter directly into the trailer. The mini fridge can be run off of 12 volts or 120 volts. Do not plug the refrigerator 12 volt outlet into the socket on the trailer. When using the refrigerator on the trailer, only use the included 120 volt to 12 volt converter and run it off shore power. If plugging the refrigerator into your car, make sure the vehicle is running. A 120 volt heater is included, as is a fire extinguisher. Moving down, you will see two black caps on the back of the trailer. These black caps are the drain ports for the air conditioner. If you are using the air conditioner, make sure to remove the drain caps. Failure to remove the drain caps will result in water entering the trailer from the overflow of the air conditioner. You will be responsible for any damage caused and cleanup. The license plate is on a hinge. This is to allow exhaust air from the air conditioner out the back. Unlocking of the door. There are no internal locks on the doors, so to lock yourself in to prevent unauthorized entry while sleeping, you must lock the door from the outside, then close the door once you are in. There is a retainer clip, as you see, to keep the door open and from blowing shut by breeze, wind, or angle of the trailer. Blankets, pillows, sheets, and mattress pad are washed after every rental. To open the screen, there are 2 pinch locks. Press them forward and raise the screen. Make sure screens are closed, or the windows are closed, while the vehicle is being towed. There is a battery-powered LED light switch, tablet holder for an iPad or Android tablet, 12-volt socket for operating the fan, or a 12-volt phone charger to run off the internal battery on the trailer. Fan has 3 options: off, low, or high. And it exhausts air out the top vent. The vent should always be open, even just a little bit, while the trailer is occupied, to prevent asphyxiation. Pockets are included on both sides for small item storage. This is good for storing your glasses while sleeping, or phones, or water bottles. The trailer also has 2 LED puck lights, one in the passenger area and a second in the cabinet. These can be pressed to turn on or change color, or use the included remote control to turn on, change color. The remote control also can set a timer, a shut-off timer, which is recommended for use to prevent battery draining. You can also dim and brighten the puck lights with the remote. DVD player is also included. In the right cabinet, you will find the 12-volt battery, charger, and behind the white plastic is the fuse holder. There should be nothing that you need to service. The battery is charged automatically when the trailer is plugged into a 120-volt power source. Air conditioner operation is simple. There's a power switch on-off. There's also a fan speed switch and a temperature control dial. It is recommended to keep the fan speed at maximum and adjust temperature by using the control dial. To provide 120-volt power to the trailer, simply plug an extension cord into the 12-volt or the charge port. Internal battery will automatically charge, as well as all 120-volt outlets will be powered up. For heater placement, use the left cabinet. The heater has a pressure sensor and needs to be placed upright on a hard surface. If it gets knocked over, it will shut off. Do not place the heater on top of blankets or obstruct the vent or intake or output. The heater has 3 settings: off, fan, low, which is 75 watts, or high, which is 150. Air pressure, keep the tires at approximately 40 psi. For closing down, shut the hatch and lock. Unplug the 120-volt extension cord. Lock all doors and make sure the windows are shut. Lock storage box after you've placed the other items into it, such as the chocks and extension cord. To attach back to your hitch, this is shown without the vehicle for better view. Lower the hitch down over the trailer ball. Use the lock after the hitch latch is shut to lock the hitch latch shut. This will lock the trailer to the vehicle and also prevent the hitch lock from popping open. Don't forget to crisscross the chains and attach to the tow vehicle. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your next RV camping vacation.